Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm just going to be sharing with you how you're going to be able to install iOS 15 when it gets released to the public come June 7th. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video, share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them, and without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, this website, which I'm going to leave the link in my description, is actually going to help you to just install iOS 15, iPadOS 15, macOS 12, and then new tvOS and then watchOS. So there are basic steps you need to take in order to get right here. You need to put in your Apple ID and all before you're going to be able to just get to this website right here. And when you check out right here, you're going to click on desktop right here, this side right here, and then you click on enroll your device. That is if you're doing it for the iOS, iPadOS, but for the macOS, you're going to be doing it definitely on your MacBook. So when you click and then you see this option right here, you scroll through and then you check right here, and then you're going to see download profile. So you tap on download profile and it's going to pop up. And mind you, anytime you want to do this, you do it with a Safari browser. You don't use any other browser else. The pop-ups is not going to come. So you're going to see this on your device like this. You click on allow and then you close, and then you go to your settings right here, and then you're going to see profile downloaded right here. You tap on it and then you're going to install it right away, and it's going to allow you to just get the new iOS 15 beta when you are done doing these basic things. And it's going to tell you to restart your device, but I'm not going to do it for the sake of this video. And once you are done and then you go to your settings and then you check for software update, you're going to see you're going to get your iOS 15 right here. You see we are on iOS 14.6, but right now I am on iOS 14.7 beta 1, and this is because I installed this profile right here. But there is one thing you need to know: this is actually going to be available to public 20 to 30 days after it's been released to developers, and developers do have a paid subscription right here, and they get it from the day it's been released. That is the June 7th. It's going to be released to the developers and they can install it from day one. But if you want to be a developer, you need to pay $100 and you're going to be able to just get the access to do what you're supposed to do, and then get your iOS, iPadOS, and a new macOS on day one when it's being released. But I have this website right here which is also going to present to us day one when it's being released, and I'm actually going to bring a new video when it's being released, how you're going to install it. I'm going to do it right here on this channel, so you don't forget to subscribe. On day one, I'm going to show you guys how you're going to be able to just install this iOS and then iPadOS when it's being released. So this is a website called Beta Profiles, and you're going to see right here we have install profile and then IPSW. So installing this profile on this website is going to allow you to just get the early access that is from day one when it's being released. And also, if you want to do it manually, you're just going to click on this side right here, the IPSW, which when it's being released to the public, I'm going to do a new video to cover however you are supposed to do it manually. If you want to install the updates on day one, I'm going to leave the link to this website too in my description, so that when come June 7th, after it's been released, you can try it out and then install it right away. And basically when you just still come here and then you tap on install profile, you're still going to get the pop-ups, and then you are just going to install it like how I showed you. You use Safari in order to just get this one installed, and you tap on this side and basically it's going to take you through the steps we used in the first one. So you just make a date for this iOS 15 and then you just subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to share with you everything that is new and how you're going to do it, and basically that is going to be helpful. Stick around so that you don't miss anything. Subscribe to the channel and then share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.